Welcome to life at BIMS, where world-class medical training meets the perfect student experience. Nestled along the stunning shores of Montego Bay, our campus is more than just a place to study, it's where you build memories that last a lifetime. Start your day in our vibrant student lounge, the perfect space to relax, collaborate, and make lifelong friends. Refuel and recharge at our spacious cafeteria, where international flavors meet your appetite, bringing the world right to your plate. Step into our modern lecture halls, equipped to inspire 60 seats for interactive classes that make learning feel personal. And for larger gatherings, our auditorium seats 120, perfect for seminars, events, and celebrations of student achievements. Dive into knowledge in our state-of-the-art paperless library, featuring the McGraw-Hill Access Medicine Series and Lecturio Learning Management Systems. Accessible 365 days a year from anywhere in the world through your personalized BIMS login credentials. With breathtaking views and a beachside location, BIMS offers the perfect balance of academic excellence and coastal serenity. Are you ready to experience the best of student life? Discover BIMS and make your journey to becoming a doctor truly unforgettable.